we are cutting bare bones of hair cutting. This is the foundation to a long standing still bob. We're doing it section by section. First we have the doll sectioned off into 4 quadrants, and then we're doing pie-shaped partings, and the finger angle's 90. So basically what we're doing is dealing with the head shape, the hair on the head, and then you in relationship to the head. But we're continuing to repeat the same steps all the way through, section by section. This is a technical, methodical way of moving around the head that will build a foundation that when you're with clients, you can be consistent. And this is the bare bones of hair cutting. From here, you can put your signature on it. The foundation is the bottom of the hair. So what we're doing in this section is we're connecting front to back, using pie-shaped partings, a section from the back and a section from the front to connect. And it is important to keep the hair consistent, so as you go, you want to keep the same amount of dampness. And when we're over the ear, we release tension. Now we're connecting the left to the right, and it's a mirror image of doing exactly the same pie-shaped partings, 90 degrees finger angle, and this would be 1 finger's elevation if there were shoulders, and then you just continue your sectioning all the way up through the head. When you're cutting, you want to cut to the line that you've already created from the previous section, not into it and not below it, right to it. So that creates the precision and the precise. And why this is important is this makes you the difference between good and great as a hairstylist. My goal is to inform you to start off with in the Von Savvy method. We are focused on precision mixed with art. It is a technical, methodical way of moving around the head. So if you'll notice in this video, we go from left to right, continuing to use the right side as a visual as we're cutting the left side for even distribution from left to right. As we're completing this haircut, it is a long haircut. We are running out of hair, so you stop cutting when there's no more hair, obviously. But what happens is sometimes we have a tendency to travel up the shape of the head. Keep your finger angles down, and it's a low elevation, only 1 finger's elevation. If you start to elevate, that's creating a whole different haircut. Now we're connecting the back to the front again, like we did on the opposite side. My finger angle is 90 and the head's in an upright position. If you have a client looking down at their cell phone, that's going to cause you to cut their corners off. So you want the nose up and the chin up. Going into the last section, if you notice, all the way throughout this entire haircut, it was repetition, repetition. But from here is where you can start getting creative once you know how to create your foundation. But now we have a precision, 1 length, beautiful, clean, precise design that any client can wear commercially.